up, ladies and gentlemen? It's Arthur here at 124 Hibiscus Ave in Waltham. As you come into this great property, you got a half bath right to my left. And as you walk forward, you got an open concept living room and dining room overlooking this massive deck. And as you can see, it's super private conservation land behind me. So super awesome place to hang out. Right over here you got the kitchen, and you can simply just grab your beer while you're hanging out and watching TV. Now let's check out the full kitchen. As you come in, you got a big bay window, good sized ceilings, all newer appliances, and lots of space, perfect for entertaining. Now we're gonna go upstairs. Here we are upstairs, and to my right you got the Jack and Jill's bathroom. To my left, you got a very healthy sized closet, but now follow me. I'm gonna take you and show you all the bedrooms, and I even have a surprise. Come on in, this is one of the bedrooms. Great natural sunlight, big windows, and a good sized closet over here. In the hallway, we have a laundry stackable unit, and here's another bedroom. Also has a closet, and you're overlooking the back deck and the backyard. Now, we're gonna take you into the master. Good sized master. We got the Jack and Jill's bathroom. We also got a huge walk-in closet. Check it out. I could go all the way back here and back out. Plenty of room. But now I have a surprise for you. Plenty of room for expansion. And you gotta come here and bring some of your ideas. Follow me, come on. Here we are in the attic. It's finished. It's not just a ton of storage space. You could also have an office up here, or you could have your gym room up here. Keep it the way it is, or figure out a way to get a set of stairs up here. Now, as always, thanks for watching, and check out more information on our website, dna-realty.com. Always check out our social media. We're active on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. So check us out, follow us, like it, share it, and thank you for watching.